Join Cell Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE, and medical exam preparations for class 7 to 12. Register today for Cell Talent Search exam for class 6 to 12. Admissions are now open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2022.
There were totally 4 petitions filed challenging OBC reservation. The petition has been admitted by the High Court. High Court has reserved the orders insofar as interim relief is concerned. So we don't have the time and date when the High Court is going to pronounce the order on interim relief. We are awaiting for it. The stand of the Goa government was that everything has been done, triple test has been satisfied in this case, and the proper data and the study has been conducted, and it was given to the State Election Commission, and State Election Commission has properly conducted the reservation policy, and it was notified by the State Election Commission.
Sir, order has been reserved, but still we feel that election will go as per schedule.
See, what happens is these 4 petitions are challenging reservation insofar as these panchayats are concerned. So, insofar as elections will go on, only the prayer of the petitioners are that you stay the reservations for OBC. So, hold the election according to the petition, hold the elections without making provision for OBC reservation.
इतले मजगती पंचायत वेंचणुकेक बेरेस्तारा आनीक 1209 उमेदवारांनी अर्ज भरले. आता मेरेन 1492 जाणांनी अर्ज भरल्यात. ब्युरो रिपोर्ट, प्रुडंट.